Amazon is playing a tricky game to take your money into their pocket with their new reimbursement policy updates. Now you can make images and plus contents within Amazon with their new AI tools. TikTok Shop hits a new record within USA and it beats Shein. These stories and more in today's monthly updates of Ecomclips. Exciting, right? Yes, you should be. Happy New Year, sellers. So the first update that we have today is about Amazon reimbursement policy. And if you see it, you're gonna be shocked by the way Amazon actually approach it. So this is the update. So let me read it a bit. We're updating our fulfillment by Amazon inventory reimbursement policy to help provide you greater transparency. Positive it. So always Amazon comes up with new updates and they say to help you provide, to help you that and that. So basically, for example, if Amazon comes and say to help you, we are charging 3,000 USD for inbound fees. Isn't it ridiculous? So stop worrying like this, Amazon. And then what they write, okay, let me read it from here. So what they mention will reimburse you based on the product manufacturing cost of the affected inventory. Well, so from now on, you will be only given the manufacturing cost if any item is lost or damaged. So earlier what happened, we kind of get all the money from Amazon, and now we're gonna just get manufacturing cost. So manufacturing cost meaning, if I read it down here, means your cost to source a product from a manufacturer, wholesaler, reseller, or produce the item if you are the manufacturer. It excludes costs such as shipping, handling, custom duties, or other costs. This is insane. Like when I source a product from China, there are costs like the shipping cost is there are custom duties cost, and a lot of costs are associated with that to bring the product to Amazon FB warehouse. So now Amazon is saying they're not going to give me anything for that. They'll only give me the manufacturing cost, which I don't know how they will do it because they don't know my manufacturing cost, by the way. Let me read it a bit. Okay, to help provide you greater control and accuracy. Again, to help you. You can choose how we determine the manufacturing cost for your products. Okay, we'll provide a manufacturing cost estimate for you. Okay, this estimate is based on a comprehensive evaluation of comparable products sold by Amazon, by other sellers, and through wholesale channels. They don't have the data of the manufacturing cost. What they will do, they will actually analyze the competitor side, and if the competitors don't share their manufacturing costs, they can do it. So their evaluation will be obviously wrong. So you can provide your manufacturing cost directly. I'm not going to do that. And I'm going to tell you, don't do it. Don't share your manufacturing cost with Amazon. If you don't provide your own cost, we'll automatically apply our estimate. I don't know what to tell here. First of all, don't share any of your cost with Amazon. Because you never know if they estimate any cost, and if it's higher than your cost, then good. Because when you are sourcing a product, let's say you are selling price is $30, and maybe your sourcing prices or manufacturing cost is, let's say, $7 or $8. So now you're gonna get only $7 for that, whereas you should have get more than $20. And how can they know the manufacturing cost? Because let me show you one thing here. We use this FBA fee calculator to calculate our entire cost. And there are sellers who use Amazon calculator, which I think you shouldn't, because you don't know, maybe they will keep your data, maybe they will take your data and estimate the cost, and maybe you don't know, you never can trust Amazon. So if you use this sheet, if you want, I can share it with you, no problem. Just let me know in the comment or email me. And what it does, for example, I am selling, let's say my quantity is 400. When I'm giving 400, it automatically changes to 6.50. And this way you can calculate all your cost, every single penny of your cost. And you can also see the profit margin that you are getting and everything. Okay, let me show you one thing here. Let me zoom it a bit. So it's gonna be effective from March 10, 2025, which means if the seller don't like this announcement, and if they protest about it, if they really talk about this, then Amazon is gonna change it for sure. Because that also happened in the last year. They come up with a lot of things, and with the protest from the sellers, with the negative words on the social medias, they had to reduce some of them. But Amazon, they can do anything they want, but it's not good. So if Amazon is seeing this, any of the employees from the Amazon, if seeing this, please don't do anything like this. So I don't know what actually Amazon is thinking, but I think they should change this policy. And one request to Amazon, please stop using language like you see here, to help provide. to help provide and again to help you prepare. I mean, stop wording like this, please. Now let's move to the second update. So now you can create images and a plus content with AI from Amazon. So for example, if you come to advertising, and here you can see that under creative tools, image generator, here you can actually can give your assin. And if I give it here, so this is the assin, select it and save and continue. So from here, you can actually give prompt and Amazon will actually give you some images, suggestions. So we have a video on that. You can check it out. The link you find it somewhere or in the description. Like this, you can also prepare A plus content. So if you go to A plus content, if you want to add any modules in the A plus content, and if you click on like add module, you can see that AI ready. And if you click on that, and then you can actually prepare the content with AI. And if you click here, you can get all the information about how to use this AI generated content. So read it out to understand the whole point. And let us try to prepare one from here. So click here and then let us select all of them here. Let's click on generate content. Let's see what comes. So I need to give the assin. So this is my assin. And then I can give prompt. So let's write down water resistant and then go below. So you can choose it realistic or abstract, and you can give the description about the image, and you can even add image for reference. That would be good. And then you can select the theme. For example, let's select which one? Let's select winter and then generate content. It will take some time to prepare the whole content. Boom. So it gives me a content. So, and also some headlines and the body text, so everything. I mean, it's good to see, but not good enough like the competitors or the like other plus content, but it's good. So this is how you can actually prepare your content, plus content with AI. And I think this is gonna crazy. Amazon is focusing a lot on AI, and in their last accelerator program, they actually announced a lot of AI things. So I think they're gonna be very much serious about AI, and in coming years, in coming days, you will see a lot of things happening, and AI will do everything in replace of people like you and me. So we need to wait and see what actually happens in future. So our next update is Amazon FBA fees. The good thing is Amazon didn't increase any of their FBA fees for 2025, but there's some increase in the MCF and AWT fees. So in MCF for multi-channel fulfillment, there will be 3.5% fee increase on an average. So MCF is like, if you don't know, it is like if you sell on Shopify or any other platforms other than Amazon, you can use Amazon MCF to fulfill all your products for your other stores. So in Amazon AWD or Amazon Warehousing and Distribution, they introduce a new smarter storage option. So apart from this, there is no major changes on the FBA fees, which is a good thing. And let us see if Amazon comes up with new fees or something like that. So our next update is about Shopify, and it has come up with a lot of new updates, almost 150 plus updates, and they're calling it boring edition. But to be honest, it's not boring. This is very exciting because a lot of new things are here. Like there are now customer accounts, product bundles, there are POS for making sales anytime, anywhere. And there is Sidekick, which is basically AI-based assistant for the merchants, and a lot of tools. And you must check them out. And I think Shopify is gonna be really fun and easy in coming days. Our next update is about TikTok Shop, and it surprises Shane and Shapora within USA, and it proves how aggressive they are within USA. And you know what I think? I think in coming years, TikTok Shop is going to be more aggressive and people are going to buy more from TikTok Shop, because this is a very popular social media where people watch videos and things, and they can now buy things. That's going to really change how actually look at e-commerce. So I think this is going to be really fun, witnessing TikTok Shop aggressively moving forward and taking the market share of USA and entire world. And there's some quick updates like Amazon expanding their drone delivery options. And now the drone deliveries are available in Phoenix, Arizona. So I think they're going to expand these drone delivery options in the whole USA day by day. So any items under 5 lbs will be eligible for that. And they will get deliveries within an hour, which is really crazy because, what I think Amazon drone delivery options will be expanded a lot in coming years, and you will get your products in a more faster and secure way. Also, there are some updates like you can now see metrics for your customer dissatisfaction within Sales Center. and you can compare yourself with the top performing competitors. And there's another update about coupons. Now you can edit the coupons and increase the discount if you want, and also you can active the coupons without recreating them. So that's a wrap for these monthly updates. Remember, staying informed is the first step to staying ahead in this competitive world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights. And as always, email us at info@ecomclips.com for any kind of queries. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.